Hello friends, I'm Prachi and today I'm going to talk about how you can clear your money karmas. Many times in our life, we are stuck with the money issues because of the money karmas that we experience from our past life, from this lifetime. Maybe we have taken money from someone and we have not given it back and those people are cursing us, or maybe we are not able to pay the loans and debts, and there are so many things that goes around money. So today we are going to clear the money karma that we have created in our past lifetime and in this lifetime. So we will do tapping for that. We will release, we will forgive all those people who have dished us in terms of money, who have taken away money from us, and that's why there is a lot of insecurity towards money when we give money to others or when we receive money from others. And many times we have not given the money that we are required to give to others, and those people are like cursing us. And so there is so much of karma that we have collected around money, consciously, unconsciously, and many times we don't remember it because we do it and we just forget it because we just feel that we take it for granted. So today we are going to tap on money karma, releasing all the debts that we have created related to money in our past, and the debts of karma that we have created because we have not given it back, or maybe we have dished people in our past lifetime, and we have created that karma. So let's tap it out today and let's ask for forgiveness and let's release it completely. So starting from your hand point, we will be starting from the hand point. So start from your hand point. All those people who are new to this YouTube channel, you can just tap along with me, and whatever I say, just repeat after me. So first point is hand point, just tap on that. Even though I am not receiving money as I am supposed to, I want money, but money is not manifesting. Even though unconsciously I might have collected money karma in my account, some bad karmas related to money, which I am not aware of right now, but maybe it can be coming from my past lives, maybe in this life, or maybe some family karma, some ancestral karma, which I may have in my account and I am not aware of it. So I allow myself to acknowledge that there must be some money karma, there must be some negativity that was created in my past, maybe from me, my ancestors, or from my family, which because of that I am suffering today. I acknowledge, I accept myself in this situation completely and unconditionally. All this money karma, which I had kept on accumulating from my past lifetime, in this lifetime, from my family, from my ancestors, and I have created it sometimes unconsciously by taking money from others and not giving it back to them, by not paying the taxes, by not paying the money which I am supposed to give to the universe, to the people, the money I just need to contribute to others, which I am not giving, even that is creating the money karma. Or maybe there are people in my life who used me for money, who abused my money, who took advantage of me, who took away my money and did not give me back. In my company, in my business, in my relatives, in my friends, there might be so many people to whom I need to return the money. I just need to ask forgiveness from them. I allow myself to ask forgiveness from them because somewhere I have created that money karma, that negative money karma cords with them, and because of that, the money that I desire is not manifesting. I am not satisfied with my finances. It's not manifesting because somewhere I may have hurt someone related to money. I have made a loss for them by taking their money and not returning them back. I ask for forgiveness from them. I forgive. And at the same time, I forgive all those people. Tap on your chest point. And at the same time, I forgive all those people who have ditched me, who have abused me financially, who have used me, who have taken my money and not returned me back. And I have cursed them. And all the negativity that I have collected in my mind in the form of thoughts and emotions by cursing them and getting the curse from others, I now allow myself to completely free myself from that. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Though I have been creating this money karma from my past lifetime, in this present lifetime, unconsciously by my acts and behaviors, I allow myself to forgive myself. I forgive myself completely. Even though I had done it, I forgive myself. I choose not to punish myself for that. And now I choose to repair it. I just choose to give that money back to them. I take an intent to bless all those people who had helped me financially and I had not given the money back to them. I just bless them for prosperity and abundance. I just express my gratitude towards them for helping me out. I forgive myself. I choose to feel free of it. I allow myself to be free of all that guilt, of all that hurt which I have caused to others. And I choose not to punish myself for that. I forgive all those people who have abused me financially, who have made use of me, who have not returned my money till now. I just forgive them completely. I allow myself to release from all that hurt, from all that used feeling, that victimhood which I have been carrying in my mind, that people use me for money. I release myself from that victimhood. It's okay. It was supposed to happen and it happened to me, and I cannot change it now. I can't change it now, and it's okay. That was also my karma cleansing. They just cleansed my karmas and made me free of it. So even if they are not returning my money, that's completely fine. In fact, I should thank them for ditching me, for abusing me, because they are cleansing my karmas. They are taking away all my karmas and I am becoming more and more clear, and my pathways towards prosperity are becoming more and more clear. They have opened the doors of prosperity for me. By cleansing my karmas, by taking away my money, by ditching me, by using me, because that was the karma which I had given to them in past life, and they did to me whatever I did it to them. It came back to me, and that's completely fine. I allow myself to release myself from all those pending karmas, from all those negative emotions, from all that used feeling, from all that victimhood related to money. I just forgive all those people. In fact, those people help me to clear my karmas. I allow myself to forgive and let go all those people. Releasing all money karmas, releasing all contracts, past life contracts related to money, releasing all oaths and vows that I have made related to money, that money will never be enough for me. Any oaths, vows that I have made with money coming from my past life, from this lifetime, that money would never be enough to me. I would always struggle financially for money. I clear all those oaths and vows. I lift all those contracts. I don't need those contracts anymore. I have suffered enough now financially, and I don't need it anymore. I don't need all those money contracts, because I am here to live a life of abundance. Becoming rich is my birthright. Becoming abundant is my birthright in all areas of my life. I allow myself to release all those money contracts, to those oaths, vows that I have made related to money from my past lifetime, in this lifetime, or maybe I'm still holding on to my family and ancestral beliefs related to money. Whenever they told me that money was never enough in my childhood, my father and mother, my parents, my ancestors, whenever I saw them struggling financially, I made that belief that I had to struggle financially when I grow up. It will be very hard for me to earn money. Money is not easily available. I need to work hard. I need to struggle. I need to suffer to get money. To receive money, I allow myself to release all those money contracts coming from my past lifetime, from this lifetime, from my parents, from my siblings, from my ancestors, so that my future generations are in prosperity, so that I can contribute to my future generations. I choose to break all these contracts, all these oaths and all these vows coming from all these people, from all the generations, from 7 generations from my past, so that the coming generations are in prosperity and abundance. I choose to break it completely. I choose to break all those money curses which were put upon me from people maybe who were jealous of me, my enemies from my past lifetime, from this lifetime, whom I know or whom I don't know. I just cut the energy cords with all those people who throw negative energy on me. I just cut the cords coming from the past lifetimes, from this lifetimes, from my ancestors, from my family, from my parents, from my siblings, or from my relatives, or wherever from my past lifetime till this lifetime I have seen negative incidences related to money in others' lives which I had carried in each and every cell of my body. I release all those sufferings which I have accumulated from others in my body and mind, considering that that is what is money reality, but actually it is their reality, it's not my reality. I choose to create my own money reality. I choose to create my own money reality, breaking all contracts, vows, oaths coming from past lifetimes, this lifetime, from the 7 generations, from the ancestors, from the parents, from the siblings, from the relatives, and from all other people in this lifetime I have seen, and detaching myself from my own personal experiences related to money, all the money losses and all the struggles which I have experienced in this lifetime, the struggle that I had gone through in this lifetime, the victimhood which I have carried in myself related to money in this lifetime, I cut myself from that. I am no more attached with it. I am detaching myself from it. I am lifting all the contracts, oaths and vows, the negative experiences coming from outside, the negative experiences related to money about my own life. I detach myself from my own beliefs related to money. I just brainwash it completely, because now I don't need it anymore. All these oaths, vows and all these money karmas which is not serving me anymore, I delete and destroy and uncreate it. Completely, I let it go. I release all those energies from my mind, body and spirit, and I allow myself to be prosperous once again. Because becoming rich, living a life of abundance is my birthright. I release myself from it once and for all, from the root cause, from all the way back from my past 7 generations, family, ancestors, friends, siblings, my own personal experiences, my negative experiences. I detach and destroy all the cords coming from my past, and I choose to create a fulfilling future full of abundance and prosperity, and make a new belief that wherever I go, I attract money. Wherever I go, I get people who give me money. Wherever I go, I get people on whom I can trust for money. Wherever I go, I can trust people for money. I get good people around me with whom I can discuss about money. They are trustworthy, they are in the state of abundance, and that's why I attract them. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet, and money flows to me easily. Wherever I go, I receive money. In my business, in my job, I attract the opportunities where I can get abundant amounts of money, the money that will help me to give a satisfied and happy life, that will fulfill all my desires and give me a comfortable lifestyle, because I deserve it. I deserve the comfortable lifestyle, and I can get all the required money that's required to lead a comfortable lifestyle. I already have that in my universe. I already have all those opportunities, all those people who can contribute me and make me rich. All those people who vibrate at the same frequency of contribution and who can help me to grow rich and abundant. I am rich and abundant. I am enough. I already have enough money in my bank account. In the present moment and in the future, I will be attracting, and I am attracting all that money that I have. I am enough and abundant. I am enough and abundant, and I am receiving money from all the directions, from all lifetime, space and dimensions. I am getting all the positive vibrations related to money, all the people who are vibrating in abundance and taking me towards the path of prosperity. And I am creating more and more positive karma for money. I am blessing every day all those people who are not having enough money so that they can create prosperity for them. I consciously create money karma at my thought level, action level and emotional level, by thinking positive about others who don't have money, by helping them unconditionally, and even if they don't give it back to me, I just help them unconditionally. It's okay, because all that I'm doing in my thoughts, emotions and actions are going to contribute towards creating positive karma in my life, and that's going to create more and more prosperity in my life. I create positive karma. I create positive karma at mind, body and spirit. I clear all my thoughts, emotions at mind, body and spirit. So take a deep breath, inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out and let it go. All the money contracts, oaths and vows that are coming from your past, from your 7 generations, from your family, from your ancestors, your own negative experiences, friends, it's high time that you detach from it. Because if you keep on detaching from it, you will be creating more and more positive karma in your life. So start blessing people from today. Every day, bless at least 10 people around you who are in a state of lackness, who are suffering financially. Just start blessing them. At thoughts, emotion and action, just start forgiving all those people who have dished you for money, and ask for forgiveness from all those people whom you have dished, whom you have abused. Remember, whatever you are giving is going to come back. So whatever you are doing right now, it's going to come back to you. So let's follow the practice of creating the more positive karma in our life by helping others, by clearing our thoughts, emotion, actions and blessing more and more people every day to create more positive karma at thought level. Because friends, whatever you give, it's going to come back. Thank you so much. So keep watching my video, share these videos to all those people who are suffering financially, and I'm going to put more videos related to tapping money and love and abundance in the coming future. Thank you so much.